So, okay, Bex. Where are you right now? Okay, you're come back. Oh, it's turning off right now. The camera. Ah, okay, okay. Where are you holding that? Oh, okay. That again. That again. Oh, I think there's also a problem with your camera. Oh, can't find your camera. Oh my God. The disaster comes one by one. Oh my God. Okay, okay, okay. Ah, I think there's. Oh, I think it would be better if you try to restart your laptop first. I think there's something wrong with it. The camera also gone. Yeah, the camera won't turning. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think there's a problem. But okay. Do you want to restart your laptop first? I think it would be, yeah, yeah. Try to restart it first. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. It's turning on. Okay, okay. Okay. Still can't hear your voice. I'm sorry. But I can see your camera. Very clear. Okay, okay. I think we're gonna communicate with this for the next 1 hour. Yeah, maybe sign language. Maybe if we were good, if I could use a sign language, it would be better. Okay, but I'm just confirming. Just to confirm, you can hear my voice clear, right? Okay, okay. If you have anything on your mind, just send it via chat, or maybe if you want to switch device, it's okay. I'll wait. Okay. Okay. Bex. Okay, I want to review for our previous discussion. We have been discussing about what is it? Percentage, and then changing percentage to fractions, and then fractions to decimals. Yeah. Is there anything new now that you have learned? You've learned in your schools now? No? Oh, still learning about the same thing then. Still learning about percentage. What's Oh, okay. Is there any new assignment maybe in the manage back? Oh, okay, okay. So, okay. But did you have any math lesson again for these weeks? How is it back? Oh, so you're still learning about the same thing then? Ah, okay, okay. Okay. Maybe our focus today will be gonna to review, yeah, to review your previous understanding with percentage, fractions, and decimals. Okay, or maybe there's another new outside the learning that you want to ask, maybe out of curiosity, maybe. What was wow, whoa, it's a I forgot about the name. It's a Morse code, if I'm not mistaken, right? You can do Morse code? No, it's just so it's just complete gibberish then in Morse code, of course. It's just a dot in and a okay, okay. Yeah, but I learned it when I was doing Boy Scout, if I'm not not gibberish. Oh, not gibberish then. Oh, okay. It means something then. Well, unfortunately, I can't do, I can't do the sign, no, not sign language. What is it? Morse code. Yeah, maybe people who's in military will do that. It's what it means. It's what it means. Oh, what does it mean then? I still can't understand it. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, maybe. Okay, I want to check. Okay, maybe. Because you're still learning about the same thing. Maybe what I wanted to know is regarding your multiplication. Okay, because from our first session, yeah, I see that you still have some difficulty on doing multiplication. Okay, yeah, because multiplications is fundamental for every knowledge. Yeah, I mean, fractions is basically you're doing some complex, that's complex multiplication. Yeah, basically. Yeah, and then percentage is always is also a multiplications. Yeah. Okay, okay, I want to check about the multiplication. Yeah, so I'll gonna say multiplications, some multiplications, some simple, simple multiplication, and then you you write the answers in the chat box, okay? Okay, and you have to do it quick, and you have to do it quick. That's the key, okay? Okay, so I hope you have remember it, yeah, you have remember it without have to count it, okay? So we're just gonna do some simple multiplication, okay? What about 2 times 7? 2 times 7. Quick. 14. Good. So what about 2 times 15? Okay, good. 2 times 20. 40. So what about okay, maybe what about 5 times 7s? 5 times 7s. 5 times 7s. Ah, 5 times 7, Bex. Do it quick. Ayo, do it quick. Ayo, Bex. 5 times 7s. You know that 5 times 5 is 25. Then 5 times 6 is 30. And then, yes. Got it. Okay, okay. 35. Okay, so, okay. What about 7 times 7? 7 times 7. 49. Okay, now we're gonna review your yeah, your skills on converting a percentage to decimals, okay? Okay, let's see. Okay, let me share my screen first, okay? So I'm gonna write the questions in the whiteboard and then you're gonna answer it, okay? So let me share my screen. Okay. Okay, what are you typing? Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, okay, okay. I'm waiting you. The time, normal percentage, and this time normal percentage, normal percentage, and whole numbers. Whole numbers. Oh, for this week. You mean for this week? Yeah, you've learned about that. Normal percentage and whole numbers. Okay. Mm-mm. Like 243 employees, 56 absent. How many percent is at work? Oh, okay. So, okay. I got it. I got it. I got it. So it's more like a real life application then. Okay. So you have known about the concept, right? You know what is a percentage, uh, how to write it in decimals, how to change it into fractions. Now, if you are given a real case in real life, maybe, yeah. So how would you represent it in a percentage? Okay, Okay, so good question. Okay, so okay, let me share my screen then. And what about the whole numbers? That's a percentage, right? What about the whole numbers? Can you give me some? Yeah, you said that this time normal percentage and whole number. What did the whole number means? 243 employees, 56 absence. Okay, how many percent is at work? Okay, good. Okay, the whole number are, oh, okay, not 1 over 8 or, oh, okay, okay, okay. Ah, okay, okay. So, yeah, okay, okay, sir. Okay, I got it. I get the point. Okay, I get the point. Okay, can you see my screen? Wait a minute. Okay, can you see my screen, Bex? Ah, yeah. Okay, so, this is the third meeting, the third the session. Yeah, yeah, the third session. Yeah, we're gonna discuss about the real life. Yeah, I would say real life applications of percentage. Okay, the real life applications of percentage. Okay, that's a good example. Yeah, the fourth. Ah, okay, the fourth. Yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah, the fourth. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, maybe. Oh, you're including also the yeah, the first, the really first class. Have you remember our first meeting? Ah, yeah, yeah. I'm not counting that. That's what we call as the zero discussion, this zero meeting, zero session. Yeah, because that's we only what is that? Review some of your knowledge. Yeah, we're not really discussing the material yet. Yeah, we're still figuring out what's the curriculum in your school. Okay, so this is the third one. Yeah, because the first one is categorized as the zero zero discussion, zero session. Okay, the real life application of a percentage. Okay, that's a good example that you have gave in the chat box. So real life application. So you know that the percentage, yeah, percentage shows, yeah. So for example, if I want to represent, yeah, represent the first one, yeah, I would say the first real life application is to represent a thing from a whole. So represent a thing from a whole, yeah, or we call it a ratio, yeah. So usually we call it the ratio, yeah. So for like this example is that yes, you have, for example, yeah. So a percentage is to represent a thing from a whole. So for example, if I have, yeah, for if I have, yeah, a pie, and then I uh, slice it into two parts. Okay, so I have two equal parts right now, right? So this is the half, and this is a half, right? Now, of course, the uh, to represent to represent a slice of those a whole from those a whole pie. Of course, we know that it is a half, right? So this is a half. Okay, it means that one parts from the total of two parts in total. Yeah, because we have in total, in this case, we have two parts. Okay, and we have two parts. Okay, let me let me fix my drawing. Okay, so we have two parts here. Yeah, so the numerator here is to represent the number of parts. The number of parts that we want to represent. That we want to represent. In other hand, this one is to represent the total parts or numbers or total parts or the whole parts. Yeah, the whole parts. Yeah. For like this case, I have or initially two pieces, two slices. Yeah. And then I want to represent one of those. Yeah, one of those. So we have two pies, two pie or a cake. Yeah. And then we want to represent it, yeah, as to represent one of the slices. So we write the top as the number of part that we want to represent, and the below one, which is the denominator. I forgot about the about the term. What is it? At the top, I forgot the names. The numerator. Yeah, right. And the bottom one is the numerator. The yeah, the top and the bottom, you can call it like that too. Yeah, if you want to more if you want to call it in a more informal way, yeah. Okay, just call it the top and the bottom. Okay, so for example, if you have the case like the second case, yeah, the second case, this is the first one. The second case is that if if I have, yeah, 253 employees, okay, and then from that 253 employees, yeah, okay, I have 56 one who's absent. Okay, so if I have 56 employees absent, so what about the rest then, Bex? What about the rest? Is there coming to is there coming to the office, or just we don't know about it? Okay, what about the rest, Bex? Is there, yeah, because in total we have 253 employees, right? So if we draw it also as a circle, yeah, as a circle, so if I draw it as a circle here, yeah, okay, yes, yeah, okay, okay, you don't have, okay, you don't have to, maybe that's a good idea, yeah. In case I don't notice about your chat box, okay, good one, good. Okay, so I have 253 employees at rest. So 184 then. Yeah, to make it 253. Yeah. So 56 is absent. So the rest of it, yeah, the rest of it, 194. 194. Wait a minute. Is 253 minus 56 is 184? Ayo. Check again with your calculation. I think there's something wrong with it. If you try to add 194 with 56, yeah, I think the result won't be 253. Okay, again, Max. Okay. 253 minus 56. Ah, yes, 197. Okay, if you want to do it quick, yeah, just a little bit of a tip. Okay, so you know that 253, you want to subtract it with 56, right? So, in order to subtract it with 56, you can first, yeah, you can, uh, you know that the 253, yeah, you want to subtract it with 56. Now, uh, well, you can make the subtraction become like this: 253 minus 53 minus 3, yeah, which is the same what, which is the same cases, right? Yeah, but we know that 253 minus 53 itself, yeah, it's just the same as 200, right? Yeah, because the 53 is just gone like that. Yeah, and we have 200, you have to do this, yeah, and then don't forget that we still have minus 3 at the end. And 200 minus 3. Oh, that's what I did. Okay, okay, okay. Good one, good one. So what makes you what makes you do mistake in the beginning then? 194. What makes you did the mistake in the beginning then? I forgot it was a 3. Ah, okay, okay. Simple mistake, simple mistake. Yeah, but I hope you don't do it in exams. Yeah, because in math, once you get it wrong at the beginning, you'll get more wrong answers later. Yeah. I just had oh yeah, okay. Wow. Really? What exam? Math exam? Oh, how about it? How about it? Tell me. Can you do it? Can you well test. Well test. Well test. Did the test did you do the test? I mean, did you concur the test or the test concur you? Which one? Don't know. Just take a guess. Take a guess. Take a wild guess. Okay. I mean, you can predict your result by, well, can you do it or not? Yeah. Can you do it or not? Max. Simple answers, right? Oh no, don't know. Did you ace the test? Did you ace the test? Okay. Well, what's your predict on your grade, on your results? What it will be then? Is it gonna be 100 or 95? Maybe 90 or 85? Take a wild guess then. Take a wild guess. I didn't finish 30%. Wow, that's quite a lot. What happened? What happened? What's the test? Yeah, what's the material for the test? The topics. Is it the topic that we already have discussed? Or is it outside the topics? No time and most kids are screaming. Okay, okay. But did your other friends can do it? Yeah, because I no. Oh, okay, okay, okay. What's the test looks like? I mean, some of the questions. Can you remember again about the tests, maybe? Yeah, yeah, I know, I know, I know. It's a paper. I know it's a paper. Well, what I meant is the type of the questions. Yeah, is it already have discussed? Is it we already discussed about it, or is it a whole new thing? You know, yet that you have to understand it by yourself. No, which no, which one? Yeah, no. In what terms? Can you specify? What? Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, okay, okay. But did the test is maybe the test regarding about fractions then? Maybe fraction, percentage. What have we learned previously? A line equation, something like that. No? Oh, prime factors, prime factors. What about the prime factors? Doesn't come out. Huh? I don't understand the teachers. What part that did you didn't understand? Okay. What makes you can't understand the teacher? Is it about how they teach you or something else maybe? It keeps adding new items, suddenly bring tests out almost every day because but did your teacher give you maybe a syllabus? Did you know a syllabus? Or maybe teaching plan? Like maybe like for this week we'll learn about this. Next week we'll learn about this. Next week we'll learn about this. Yeah. So it's like a teaching plan about. Definitely not. So he just spontaneously then teaching you what passing his mind or her mind then maybe. Is your teacher is a male or a female? I'm sorry. Oh, a male. Okay, okay, okay. For the math subject, did you have only one teacher, or maybe sometimes another teacher coming in, yeah, teaching you a substitute teacher maybe? Only one. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Is it a quiz that the test? Is it a quiz or maybe a midterm exam or something? That you or not just a test? Okay. What's the deadline? Not the deadline. The date for your mid exams. Your mid exams. Did you know about that? About the mid exams? What's the date? Maybe you always told us about the test one day before it. Even the mid exam. I mean, mid exam should be yeah. Well, mid exam is usually held in a well, definitely for mid-exam, usually the teacher or maybe the schools, yeah, will inform you maybe a week or maybe 2 weeks prior to it. Yeah, yeah, because it's a mid exam is a huge exam. For example, I have a mid exam in Saturday, this Saturday, this exactly Saturday, and I also got a math exam. Yeah, which are incredibly well relative to you, maybe kind of difficult. Yeah. Yeah, and they have informed me from yeah from long days ago. Yeah, yeah. So my assumption is that your school also do that for the mid exams. Yeah, um, or maybe your school doesn't have any mid exam. I don't know. I'm afraid that your curriculum is kind of different. Yeah, yeah. But okay. 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 No. Okay. 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 Let's continue. Yeah. Let's continue. 200 minus 3. So what's the result? Next. Only map. Only map. Only map test. Math. Math test. Map or a math? Map. Oh, no map. Okay. No map. Okay. Okay. So 200 minus 3 will be what? Max? 100. 197. Okay, so if yeah, this is the so 197. What does it represent, Bax? Okay, so you know that the 56 is absent. So the rest 197. Yeah, yes, it's a number. It's a number, of course. Yeah, but in this context, yeah, in this story, yeah, you have 253 employees, 56 of those is absence. Yes, the amount of people who's what, yeah, who's what, 56 is absent. So the rest of it will be who's absent. Who's absent? 197. What does it represent, Max? Unabsent. Yeah. Yeah. Unabsent would be yeah, but it's not a word in English. Well, presence, right? Presence. If you're not absent, not absence mean your presence, right? Yeah. So absent. Oh, well, you can call it absence. 56 is absent, and 197 is not absent. Yeah. So if you have a binary choice, binary is that you only have two choices. Yeah, if you have binary choices that you only have two choices there, one of those will become not something. Yeah, will represent not something. So if A is something, then the B is not A. Yeah, yeah. So it's if it's a binary choice. Yeah. If it's a three choices or four choices, yeah, yeah, maybe that's a different cases because uh yeah, it's a different choices, yeah, because it's like you're having multiple choices, yeah. If you have a multiple choices, if the answer is not A, yeah, and you only have two choices, A and B, if the answer is not A, then the answer will be what, Max? If you have a multiple choices, yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, for this case, you only have two choices, A and B. If the A is not the answers, then the B will be the answers. Yeah. But in the case if you have four choices, A, B, C, D, yeah, A, B, C, D, yeah, of course, if the answer is not A, then the answer will be B or C or D, right? So we cannot guarantee if the answer is A, the answer will be B. No, that's not the cases. There's other options, C and D. Yeah. But if for binary choices, of course, you can imply that directly. Okay. So 197 represent the people who's not absent, or in this case, not absent is usually stated, yeah, is equivalent to presence, yeah, hadir gitu, presence. Okay, so if you want to represent, what's the questions in the beginning? How many percent is at work? So how many percent is at work? Meaning we are what? Finding the percentage for whom? For people who are absent or not absent. Okay, 253x is equal to 100%. 253 times something should be 100%. Okay, 56% will be, oh, okay, okay, okay. 56, 253 times something is equal to 100%. Then 56 times something is equal to something. Oh, okay, okay. Well, you can think it that way, but there's another way to do it, and it's much quicker. Yeah, because you already knew. So, as I have told you earlier, percentage can be used to represent a thing from a whole. Okay, so if I want to represent people who are present in the office, who are it at the office, yeah, relative to the people, to the total employee there, yeah, of course I can say it that as, yeah, the bottom, you write it with the number of people who are not absent, which is, yeah, to represent the people who are present or at work. You can say it as the number of people who's absent, who's at work, who's present, divided by the number, the total number of of employee. Okay, so and don't forget to multiply it by 100%. Okay, so if I have the number of people who's present is 197, and then I have the total number of the employee is 253, Of course, we have to multiply it by 100% to represent it as a percentage, of course, yeah, because we want to state it as a percentage. Of course, we have to multiply it by 100%. And of course, what method did you will apply that you will apply then, Bex, to this to finding this fraction? Yeah, this is kind of a hard fraction, isn't it? Yeah, because you have to divide the hundreds with the hundreds with hundreds and hundreds. So how will you uh, do the fractions, Bex? 197 times 197 divided by 253. How would you do that? How would you do that, Bex? Would you try to calculate it with manually one by one, or you can remember that? Did you remember that we have learned about what is that called? I forgot about the name. Pembagian bersusun. Yeah, pembagian bersusun, which we use something like this, right? Yeah, something like this to find the division of something. Yeah. So if I had 253, yeah, and then I want to divide it by 197. Okay. So what number that I should multiply to 197 that Bex that did not greater than 253? Can I put 2 here, Bex? Can I put 2 here, Bex? No. Okay. Yeah. So the least number that you could put is 1, right? 1. Yeah. And okay, if I'm not mistaken, if I have teach you about the concept of lending zero, yeah, lending a zero. If the number that we try to divide is much less than the divider, yeah, the divisor. Okay, did we have to lend this? Do we have to lend the zero here? No, yeah, because the number is greater, right? Number is greater, yeah, of course. So you divide it by one. So you just got the bare minimum of this, yeah. So, yeah, so you only got one here. So 197, and then you try to subtract it. Okay, what left is that 3 minus 7. Oh, of course, we cannot do that, right? So we have to lend from 5 here. Yeah, 5. Please, 5. Give me some numbers. Okay, give me some land. Okay, so we lend some zero from this 4, and then we got 13. 13 divided by 7. Yeah, 13 divided by 7 is what is 13 divided? 13 minus 7 was the number, Pax. 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7. Hmm, hmm, hmm. 13 minus 7. Pax. 6. Good. Okay, so we have 6 here. And then 4 minus 9, we cannot do that. So in order for this to happen, we have to lend some 1 from these two. So 14 with 9, we'll get 5 here. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. So what we have left is 56. Yeah, 56. Now, of course, ideally we want to this divisor the remainder have to be 0, right? But this is not 0 yet, so we have to divide it by 0. We have to sorry, we have to divide it again with 197. But of course, 56 is less than 197. So what did we have to do then? What do we have to do then, Bex? Yeah, so we have 56. Okay, what do we have to do then? to make it uh to make the divisions happen. Did you still remember about the concept of lending a zero from another? Ah, yeah, you apply that to this, yeah, because yeah, that's all. That's applicable for not only for the first division process, yeah, yeah, because maybe for our previous example, we do it at the beginning, right? Now we can do that uh, yeah, add zero or leaving it be. Yeah, well, we have to add zero, yeah, because we do not want to leaving it be. Okay, so we add another zero. Yeah, we add another zeros here. Yeah, but what at what cost? Yeah, of course, yeah, because you land zero here, you have to add some decimals here. Decimals 1 point. Yeah, so 1 point. Okay, 1 point. Gitu. Okay, so 1 point. So 1 point what? So 560. So this is kind of complicated. If you try to multiply it by 2, okay, so 197 multiplied by 2, we have 14, 18, 19 to 394. Okay, so what about if you multiply it by 3? 197 multiplied by 3, 20, 29, 3, and 5, 591, which is larger than 500, 560, yeah. So we choose 2 then. Yeah, we choose 2. Yeah, we choose 2. So 2, and then we try to multiply it. Yeah. How about 2.5? Well, it would be better uh if we choose a good number, yeah, natural numbers, yeah, 1, 2, 3, exact number, I would say, yeah, yeah, because it's more convenient to use, yeah. I mean, calculating a number with the decimals, yeah, it's kind of complicated, yeah, so we want to avoiding it, yeah, or avoiding it as much as we could, yeah, so we just try to multiply it by a number that we're more familiar with, yeah, which is 2, yeah. So we got the rest is 394, yeah. So the okay, what about this process? 560 minus 394 backs, what's the result? Okay, try to do it step by step. Okay, so what about 560 minus 394? So you start with the last digit, yeah, the 0 and 4. 0 minus 4, 260 minus 94. Oh, 290 minus 60, minus 94. Okay, so, okay, so, got it. So, yeah, 290 minus 94. So you, minus 300 and at 300 first, yeah. So it will become, eh, okay, I got it. Oh, it should be 360 packs. Yeah, because if you try to do 560 minus 394, of course, this is just the same as 560 minus 300 minus 94, and this will become 260, right? Minus 90. Oh yeah, it is 260. It is 260. I'm sorry. So okay, 260, 54, 94. Okay, so what's the result then? 290 minus 94. Of course, you can uh do it like this, yeah? 260 minus 90 minus 4. Okay? So 260 minus 90 is kind of easy, yeah, because uh relatively more easy. Okay, what about it, Max? 260 minus 90 will become, yeah, okay, 200 minus 34. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I got your way. Okay, so you want to do it this way, yeah? So you want to 94 And this will become 260 minus 90 minus 34. Yeah, this is just the same, right? So you got 200 minus 34. And you can do it more again, right? 200 minus 30 minus 4, which is 200 minus 30. What will become next? 100, 170, yeah? Isn't that right? Okay, good, 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 good. Okay. Now, I hope you can do this process, yeah. I mean, quick in your head, yeah, it's all right if you still kind of difficult on writing you're still writing it step by step, right? Now, I hope when you are, oh no, oh okay, good, good, good. Okay, so if if you have already done it in your head, that will be better, of course. Yeah, so it will become 166. Good. So the rest of this would be 166. Okay. Okay. Okay, maybe I mean we still can do this division, right? Because uh we should remember that the aim of a division is that we want the reminder to be zero. And of course the reminder in this process is not zero, right? So but leave it be. Okay, so we'll just to take two decimals. We'll just take one number behind the decimals. Yeah. Now, I want you to pay attention. If you have an exact, yeah, you do this process. You do this pembagian bersusun process. Yeah. Uh, you have to mm, comply with the instruction with in the test. Yeah, because sometimes the the test wants you to write the decimal, maybe write two numbers behind the decimal or three numbers behind the decimal, so you have to pay attention on that. Yeah, yeah, so if you want to have two number behind the decimals, you have to do this process two times, right? Or maybe three times. Yeah, well, depend on the results. It never says that. Oh, okay, okay, it never says that. Okay, 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 maybe because you're still kindergarten, still garden, kindergarten. I'm sorry, I'm pardon. You're in the sixth grader, so it's not really important. Yeah, they about the result. Yeah, as long as you got the results quite accurate. Yeah, maybe the number is not really not that far. Yeah, maybe they're still tolerating about it. Yeah, because in my experience, yeah, because in my experience, I myself, yeah, have already done elementary schools, yeah, right? So I know some of the questions is kind of tricky, yeah, because they ask you for maybe two decimals behind two number behind the decimals, or maybe three numbers behind the decimals. Yeah, so maybe because yeah, it's all right, lah. Still tolerable. So what the result of 197 divided by 253? Next, what's the result here from this process? Yeah, with 16.6. Oh, good. Good. So, okay. So 1.2, yeah, 1.2. Yes, yeah, you can. Oh, well, yeah, 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 yeah. 1.2. Whoa, 100. Ah, yeah, yeah. That's why I'm kind of confused. 16.6, really? Yeah, we got 166 lah. Okay, okay. Okay, 1.2, 166 divided by 197, right? Like this, Bex? I mean like this, 166, 197. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bex, we do the pembagian bersusung wrong. We should be dividing 197 with 253. not the not the otherwise. That's why I'm kind of confused. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, we do it quick, yeah? Okay, well, okay, we do it quick. Of course, this is we cannot divide it, yeah? We cannot divide this only with this, yeah? Well, we have to land some zero, yeah? We land some zero here. So 0 point 253, yeah? So you have another zero here, 253, okay, let's see, 253, 1970, 1970, wait a minute, 1970 divided by 253, 970 divided by 253, yeah. Well, I can, you already have known the answer, yeah. I mean, you already know the process, right? So I'll just write the answer, and the answers will be uh, 197 divided by 253 is 0.77 865. So if I want to change it in a percentage specs, yeah, how the how should I do it? How should I do it? So I already got the decimals, 1.77865, and then I have to add it with 100%. What will I do then? Remember that if you want to get a percentage, you want to make the division. We want to make the number is being divided by 100. Okay, divided by 100. So if we want this to happen, so 1.77865 times 100 over 100, yeah, which is just the same, right? Which is that's the same, right? So 100% is this, right? This is 100%. Okay, so I want to make the below is 100. Therefore, what should I do with the with the top backs? What should I do with the top backs to make it a whole hundreds? Okay, what should you do with the top so that you can get the bottom one is 100? So it just the same as multiplying this. It's just the same as multiplying this with this, right? Isn't that correct? So this is just the same as I'm writing 0.77865 times 100. Okay, so let me rewrite it again. 1.77865 times 100 divided by 100. This is just the same, right? Same one, same thing. Okay, so 1.77865 into times it with 100. What will you get back? What will you get? Yeah, of course, if you multiply decimals with the number with the hundreds, yeah, 10 or hundreds, 1,000 or 10,000, 100,000, yeah. So you just the trick, yeah, or the quick way to do it is just by you count the number of the zero in the hundreds, which is two zero, right? And then you move the decimal according to how much the zero in the hundreds. Yeah. So you got 20 here, so you move the decimals to the right, to the right. Okay, to the right two times. So this will become 77. Yeah, because you move the decimal from here to here. So you know that it will become 0.77. It will become 77 point what's left there, yeah, which is 865 over 100, and this is just the same as 77.865%. Now, there is something that we call as what is that called? Yeah, rounding a numbers. Have you heard of it? So you have decimals. You can round it to the nearest integer. Yeah, to the nearest integer. So what is the nearest integer with 77.80? Oh, 7. 77. Is it is it close with 7? I mean, I mean, this is 77 and this is 7, yeah, which is really far, far away. Can you chose a number that are more close with 77 Bex? Good number, yeah. 75, 74. That's a good number. Integer, yeah, that we call it an integer. So what number are close? What good numbers that are close with 77.86? 4, that's more far where than 7. Really, Vex? You're giving me a wild answers here. You're not taking the lead here. I'm giving you a lead. Okay, say you're playing with me. I like that. You're playing with me. I like that. I like that. Okay, okay. Good one. 78%. Okay, so it is, well, it is because we do a rounding here. Yeah. Because we do a rounding here. The sign won't be equal. Yeah, the sign will be like this. It's kind of a curly equal. Yeah, curly equal. It means it close to 78%. Okay, but usually for elementary you just use well equal signs, but in a more good way, in a good manner, in a more good manner, you would write it as approximately close. Yeah, approximate. Did you know the word approximate? Approximate is close to something. Yeah, unless you round to tens. Yeah, well, that's quite a well. It you can basically mathematically can say it as close, yeah, because close is, I mean, close is relative, right? Yeah, close is relative because it's relative on who's your benchmark, the compare, which you what you compare it with what? That's depend on that. 80, yeah, 80. You can call it as a 80, yeah. So 80, yeah. It is approximately close to 80%. Yeah, so you can write it like that. Okay. So maybe before we end our discussion, okay, for another last example, yeah. Last example, yeah, Bex, yeah. Okay. So I don't want to give you a hard time for today, yeah, because you you are you have a session after an exam, yeah, which is for me quite a, yeah, you're hungry, yeah, so you want to eat, right? In fact, you can eat while you have some session with me. It's all right, as long as you don't, it doesn't bother your learning. Oh yeah, that's a school uniform. That's a school uniform. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, that's a good uniform, by the way. I'm not in my. I think when I'm in elementary school, my uniform isn't that good. Aren't that good. So it's a polo. In fact, yeah, it's kind of like a polo thing. It's a polo uniforms. Yeah, that's a good one. You use Pramuka Injum. Yeah, the brown uniform that I have to use it for every day, every Jumat. Yeah. Okay. Okay, last example, yeah, Bex, yeah. Okay, if we weren't finished, okay, you can do it outside schools, okay? Outside this session. Okay, if for example, if I have 5 apples, 5 apples, and then I have 3 pineapples, or maybe not. mangoes, or maybe pineapples. Pineapples. And then I have, for example, two uh, banana. What is the percentage of the first one is the for the pineapples? Yeah, maybe in a basket, yeah. So I have five apples, three pineapples, two banana in a basket. So apples, what is the percentage of the apples? And then the percentage of the pineapples. And then for the banana. So what is the percentage of the apples then? Jawab. I'm sorry, answers. It's okay. Yeah, 50. Wow, quick thinking. 50, 30, 20. Good one. All with percents. Okay. What is the fractions? The fractions form. The simplest one. 5 over 10. 3 over 10. 2 over 10. Okay. Answers. Okay. Quick thinking. 5 over 10. Or which is the same as 50%. And 3 over 10. 30%. And I had 2 over 10, which is 20%. Okay, then, because you are so good at it, okay, I'll give you one homework, yeah? I'll give you one homework, yeah? Later, yeah, later. I'm gonna search a quite challenging, yeah, challenging question, yeah? I want you to answer it and give me the answers via WI, yeah? Okay, because I think you're already really good on on this percentage, yeah? So I want you to do some exercise. Only one or two question, okay? I don't want to burdening you with such a heavy workload. Yeah, yeah. Okay, just enjoy your schools. Yeah, so no need to stress about it. Okay, Bex. Before we end our session today, is there anything that you want to ask? I don't know what. What did you? Okay, you don't know what to ask then, but you understand about the material, right? You understand about the topics, right? Not about the. I hope so. Yeah, I hope so. Do you like yellow rice? Is it yellow rice? Nasi kuning. Nasi kuning. Just say it in just say it in Indonesia, please. It sounds weird when you call it as yellow rice. I thought it a cat rice. Yes, nasi kucing, Bex. Nasi kucing. You don't have to say it as a cat rice. It's like a rice that has been given to a cat, not as culinary. Sounds like a dried fish. Dried fish? Ikan kering? Ikan kering. Unfortunately, I don't. I'm not a fan of a fish, unfortunately. So I'm not really into it. Yeah. So cat rice, in the other hand, yeah, I'm I'm really good with it. And oh, yellow rice or yellow rice, I always have a breakfast with the yellow rice. Ikan teri. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know it. My mom always make one when I was when I was still in my home back in Jakarta. Right now I'm in Bandung, if you know the city. Yeah. So Jakarta and Bandung is approximately maybe 200 kilometers. 200 kilometers away. So I'm really far away from home. Yeah, far away from home. Yeah. And by the way, my mom always used to make it. Yeah, but I never ate it because I never I'm not into fish. Yeah, because I have a traumatized experience with fish one time that I got a fish. What is it? A fish bone in my in below my what is that? This is trachea. Trachea. What is apa tenggorokan? Eh, One time. Yeah. Fractural. Yeah. Yeah. Such a biologic. Yeah. Fractural. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Throat. In the throat. In the throat. Yeah. Maybe the throat. Yeah. Oh, is it or is that wrong? I don't know. I'm not really into biology also. I'm not really good with remembering things. Yeah, fractal. Yeah, yeah. So one time I got a fish a fish bone stuck in my throat and I got choked and yeah, it is immediately a family emergency at that time. Yeah, it causes panics. Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. I hate ikan bandeng more. Yeah, because of what's I've heard that ikan bandeng. Yeah, it has too many bones. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My father told that. Yeah, my father told that one time. Yeah, because uh yeah, maybe compare to ikan. Have you heard about mujair? Ikan mujair or maybe not bandeng ya. Or maybe ikan yeah, maybe another ikan ya. Dori ya, maybe that's the safest option ya. Ikan dori. Yeah, it doesn't have any geprek. Ayam geprek or dori geprek or other geprek. Yeah. But I do like geprek in general, yeah, because of the sambal taste, right? Geprek, geprek. Ayam geprek. Yeah, I do like ayam geprek. That's the staple of Indonesia, right? Not really. Rendang, of course lah. Rendang, that's the best. Do you know in English, A is said A, not A. A, what? What is it? I think you have, if you want to, if you want to talk about English pronunciation, I think you should be pronouncing it directly because I cannot. We say A like A, A, like like A. Is that what you meant? Like A. No? Well, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Why are we learning alphabets? S- A, yeah, A, yeah. I know A in English. I know A in English. Yeah, what's your point? What's your point? A sounds like A. A. Oh, my pronunciation. Is that what you meant? While Ein, ain't, ain't. I think it will be better if you have your mics on. Yeah, I unfortunately cannot in while in Indonesia, while in Indonesia. Ah, sounds like oh, ah, sounds like uh, that ah. Okay, okay, can we stop this? I think we should stop this. Okay, we can stop this. Oh my god, it's too much lah next time. Okay. Okay, last question before we end our discussion. It's night at school. Okay, I think you're hungry, okay? For the sake of your healthy and your nutrition things, yeah. So you can grow up very fast. Yeah, I think we should end our discussion for today, okay? Okay, enjoy your meals for today, okay? And have a good night. Okay? Bye bye, Bax. Bye bye. Have a good time. Enjoy your school, yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye.